Hello, my name is Asmar Salas, and this is my presentation on Universal Design for Learning. While I have been implementing elements of UDL in the safety training I create, I was not formally aware of the principles and guidelines surrounding the concept from a neuroscience standpoint. How engagement influences the attitudes towards learning, that multiple methods of information representation are best suited to identify and process it, and how providing several ways of action and expression are needed in order to communicate and develop strategic goal-oriented learners. Additionally, of significant importance is the concept that capacity is context dependent and can influence the educational outcomes both positively and/or negatively. To provide a brief background on the training I design, they are 100% asynchronous and have no instructor interaction. They often require annual recertification, therefore learners may see repeated materials based on when courses are updated. And since the training requirement is based on the job duty or the environment where the potential hazards may exist, they are often completed by university personnel who have a limited amount of time to complete it. I evaluated my current course design process in accordance with the 3 UDL guidelines. In terms of engagement, some steps taken include recently restructured course navigation to allow for more user choice and make courses less linear when able. QR codes were added so users could access additional external resources for continued learning. And course instructions and vocabulary were simplified throughout to enhance learners' comprehension of the required tasks. Multiple means of information representation include short videos and corresponding PDF files in addition to the QR codes. I try to streamline the content as much as possible so the learner is being provided with the most significant and necessary content. Varied assessment types within the course allow for demonstration of knowledge. In evaluating the course design, I also recognize some challenges. Probably the most difficult to overcome is sustained learner engagement when there is repetition of content from year to year. Additionally, since many of the trainings contain information on how to handle emergencies and/or spills or basic lab procedures, I would like to create more how-to videos and eventually use augmented and virtual realities in the future to provide simulated experiences. Due to the training format and platform limitations, the opportunities for setting goals beyond completing the training are limited and would be difficult to document. I seek to continue to evaluate and hopefully implement additional UDL guideline parameters to not only the unique type of training I am currently involved in, but also to a much larger scope within teaching and learning.